There's always still a part of you leave behind when your falls apart. There's no easy way to break somebody's heart. Inside, heard a close story, 'cause I know she breaks so easily. And then I told her that you, no matter how I try to console her, she just do the best she could. But there is time to dance, is no tempo. And no matter how you try to be kind, there's always still a part of you you leave behind. When it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. She couldn't get angry and made me feel like a beauty child, but realize I never want to stop. Oh baby, oh what a hurt me, not dreaming like a prayer. I wanna stay to me someday. I get caught up on my knees to ask her back again. But she answered like a lady until the end. Oh, lazy, and I thought she'd break down, but she smiled at me and never made a sound. In case she understood, either way, 'cause her silence told me everything she could not say. Cause when it falls apart, there's just no easy way. There's just no easy way. There's an easy way to break somebody.